Come with us at Dominica's Food and Fire Festival, Watu, Dominica. Watu means fire in the Kalinago indigenous language, and it is an event in Dominica that blends food, culture, and music. It is a Caribbean fusion cooking event that takes place at the Rosalie Bay Eco Resort and Spa in Dominica every single year and is put together by the Watu team led by Chef Nianda Peltier of Meadows Kitchen. Watu offers an immersive experience where participants can actually cook using traditional methods over an open fire. This cultural event celebrates the island's Kalinago and African heritage, combining live music, particularly the traditional Lapo Kabui drumming, with open fire cooking. And what makes it even more special is that there are invited chefs from all over the Caribbean who come and share their delicacies with the people attending Watu. Watu is part of the Dominica's World Creole Music Festival fringe events, showcasing the island's roots and culture. She's with us at Watu Dominica for the second edition. So, Chef Jessica, I know that this year they are bringing chefs from across the island.
Yep.
So, are you excited to be here for Watu?
Very excited because it's all about culture. We in the Caribbean, we are one big melting pot.
Yeah.
So it's great to invite our fellow chefs from around the region to come and join us and to shake it up a little bit, get a little bit more taste of what's around the region, and then also bring a little bit of taste of food. So that's my part.
Amazing. So, in your pot behind us,
Yes.
why?
Two pots.
Two pots. Okay, because I was gonna ask, are you cooking one thing? So you're cooking two main things today.
Two main things.
What are we eating today?
We're having a crab and smoked fish sandwich with coconut dumplings.
Oh my God.
And then we're doing a play on the traditional pillau. We're not doing traditional today.
Okay.
We're doing a smoked chicken turmeric pillau.
Okay, we need to come back here and see what it tastes like.
For sure.
How did you pick those dishes for Dominica and for this edition of Watu?
I pride myself on fusion cooking. I love the flavors of home. I love the flavors of home.
Right.
I want to go strictly
for the
local.
Yes.
group.
Not typical
Very,
because
very
we are
good
accustomed
job.
to typical in
That's
Dominica.
wonderful.
So I wanted to kind of, you know what, something with a little bit.
Wonderful.
So sandwich is
Let's keep the vibes
typically
rolling, Bobcat
saltfish.
style, legendary
We
style.
have
Let's go.
local smoked fish from Seafood Mistress.
Yes.
I have local desiccated
This is right,
coconut from
baby.
Flavors.
Welcome to the
And
floor.
when you bring that into the pot, you have a local crab, seasoning, turmeric.
Amazing. We are looking forward to see the final thing and to have a tasting and discuss the special at Watu tonight.
Thank you for having me, guys.
This one of the lift it up. I like it. During the event, you can also have the opportunity to shop local products that are on display at different booths, such as local oils, herbal products, essences, and so forth. It's really the melting pot of culture and really allows you to support local when you visit Dominica. I guess you take it slow. What is? That's rubbing the effective way. Yeah, gonna do at this slide. Alrighty. How is it? Sweet. the event, I had the opportunity to speak with different chefs and hear more about their backgrounds as well as what inspired the choices for their different dishes for the event.
La Dominique comparée à la Guadeloupe?
Au niveau nature, ça m'a beaucoup surpris parce que je m'attendais à avoir autant de rivières, comme on avait déjà parlé. Oui. C'est vrai que c'est très vert et ça me convient très bien parce que moi j'aspire beaucoup à l'inspiration avec tout ce qui est nature, tout ce qui est
animaux. Super. Alors là, qu'est-ce que j'ai dans mes mains? Tu sais que c'est de la pieuvre. Là, c'est comment ça en Guadeloupe? Parce qu'en Dominique, on dit château water. Donc, comment on dit ça?
En Guadeloupe, on dit aussi château.
Château, ok. Donc, alors pourquoi est-ce que tu as décidé de nous faire une recette de château ici? Ou c'est une décision de
en fait, je suis venu ici en freestyle. Je n'ai pas prévu de faire la spéciale.
Okay.
Parce qu'en fait, ce qui m'a charmé dans le principe du WATO, c'est d'avoir le marché et de choisir ce qu'on voulait pour pouvoir préparer. C'est ce qui m'a plu. Donc, je suis venu en freestyle et j'ai pris ce qui me plaisait et j'ai voulu partager ça avec tous les Dominicains.
Alors, je vais goûter au château water de chef Miguel Jean-Noël. You have to try this. You have to try this. Thank you so much.
Il y avait beaucoup de succès parce que c'est presque terminé. J'ai fait beaucoup.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Still raw in the earth because it's just smoky. Okay, so it's warm, but it's not cooked. And we smoke that across the board because of the bay leaf. We put some bay leaf in the fire, and the smoke across the board. They take a lot of taste with the board and with all of the marinade for the fish. And after slide that over for close the smoke inside. For close the smoke inside the pan.
The pan. Oh,
Yes.
So the fish actually gets the smoke of the bay leaf,
Yes.
the flavor and the scent and
And
stuff.
all of the other spice because it's still there in coconut milk with a lot of spice,
Okay.
fresh spice during all the day.
Okay, so why did you decide on this dish for Watu? And you can answer in French if you want to. That's
Ok. J'ai fait ça parce que c'est un festival sur la gastronomie au feu quoi. Et c'est une technique que pas grand monde fait et c'est une technique qui a dû servir à un moment donné pour les gens qui au feu quoi.
Voilà. Et j'aimerais savoir, est-ce que tu as déjà été en Dominique?
Ouais, c'est ma troisième fois.
La troisième fois en Dominique. Ok, it's third time in Dominica.
Simplement pour les vacances, les gens quand ils viennent avec leur famille pendant les
D'accord,
vacances.
wow, ok.
Et je fais aussi tout ce qui est mariage, anniversaire,
Ok.
catering.
Ok, donc quand on vient en Dominique, quand on vient en Marie-Galante, on va faire un voyage d'un week-end à Marie-Galante. Si on veut un repas fait maison, on appelle chef Paul Réglet. Il va nous faire ses spécialités qui incluent le poisson à domicile dans notre hôtel, dans notre Airbnb ou la villa qu'on va réserver à Marie-Galante. Ou le bateau. Oh wow, ou le bateau. D'accord. Alors est-ce qu'on peut goûter à ta spécialité? Est-ce que c'est prêt?
Bien sûr.
D'accord. Here you have it. We are done with our Watu experience. I hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you felt like you were traveling with Clem for this amazing experience. Watu is one of my favorite events for the Creole season because it really just kind of like captures the entire essence of what we are celebrating. Our roots, which represent who we are and our past, our present, and most importantly our future. So make sure you let me know in the comments what was your favorite part about this Watu experience, and I hope that you put this on your calendar for next year's Creole season in Dominica. Now we're heading home, but let me know in the comments what you thought about this experience. Take care. Bye.